Welcome to the demo from Canaries Automation. In this video, we would like to walk you through the demo for SAP Intelligent RPA 2.0 bot.
So hello everyone. Today I'm here to tell you about the new launch, that is SAP Intelligent RPA 2.0 No Code Low Code, a major release of SAP gearing up towards an extensive automation. So this is the SAP IRPA Cloud Factory homepage. Here I'll be showing how to create a project with a very few steps just by dragging and dropping some activities, and your project is ready to execute. So you have to go to the projects tab. Here you have to click on new project. You have to give the project name, and you can give the description. So this will take you to the new tab. This is called as Cloud Studio. So this is the home page of the Cloud Studio. Here you can see this create drop down. Here you can create an application, automation, data type, etc. So before creating an automation, some few basic setup things you need to do, like you need to add a dependency. So I'll be adding IRPA Core SDK, which is the latest version, to use some basic activities. And also, as I'm doing the PDF extraction project, I need to add PDF SDK. So this is a one-time activity. You can close. So there you have to go to this. You have to create an automation. You have to select your desktop agent version. I'll be selecting this 2.0.6, and you have to click on confirmation, and you need to give the automation name. So you can give. So this will give me an workflow. First, I need to open the PDF. So you can search in the search box. So like IRPA PDF from the dependency, all the activities will be there. You have to first open this one. You have to just drag and drop it here. So here you need to give some parameters. It will ask for the PDF path. So this is my PDF where it is locating. After that, I'm extracting some fields from the PDF. So you need to give get text after activity. So I'm extracting 3 columns from the PDF which I'm having. So this I'll be modifying as order ID. So based on the search string input parameter which is present in the PDF, it will search the next string. So order ID is my search string, and after this I need one string to be fetched. So the output of this input will be saved in this parameter. So like this. So you have to give here and then one string to be extracted after this order date, and the output will be stored in the output value. This total amount. So this is I'll be extracting 2 words after this grand total. So after this I'll be putting all these output values in a dialog pop-up. So here for this I need to give some parameters here. So this will ask for the message, how you want to display the message in this pop-up. So basically what I'm doing here is I'm taking all the output values of 3 steps. I'm just concatenating it, and I have added a break to get one after the other. I'll save this expression and I'll choose the template as OK. So I'll save this one. After this, once you open the PDF, you need to close the PDF. Close and release. We can save this. Your automation is ready to test. You can click on test. You need to select on which environment you need to run. So it will show the trace of the execution also, and also you can see this order ID, date and grand total which is extracted from this PDF. So you can verify over here order ID, order date and then total amount. From this invoice it is the values are being extracted and it is showed in this pop-up. So this much pretty simple is creating an automation and just executing the project in this Cloud Studio. So thank you guys. I hope you like the content. So that's it for the demo.
For more informative videos, do subscribe to our Canaries YouTube channel and visit SAP Intelligent RPA section on our website.